Good morning, everybody. How you guys doing today? It is day number 16 of this vlog, and I'm always filming in the bathroom because I get up and I film the first clip. So I figured we'd switch around the scenery today and film in the living room area, because why not? Anyway, we're gonna go and weigh in here in a second, see where we're at, and then head to the gym. And what else do we have today? Not too much today. We've got some work and Twig League later, and that's about it. So yeah, let's see where the day takes us.
218.3. Down what, another half pound?
Day number, what are we on? 16? Tuesday? Yeah. 16 days in a row. Not bad. Definitely coming back again later today. I think 2 days is just kind of the way I'm going to be hitting it from now on, as long as I'm here at home and have a typical day. Probably on vacation, we'll have to cut that down, but we'll see. So I just finished up the Twig League race, and I'm gonna head over to the gym now, do my second gym visit of the day. But first I figured I'd rip a pack outside with the new HD Whoop. I haven't really freestyled that one yet. It's my 65mm. I transferred my extra UWL to a 65, so I had a 65 HD. iGao Motors. Anyway, let's give it a freestyle rip around outside. Second gym visit done, and headed back home. Lots of two-a-days. Feels nice outside today. It's nice and cool. Anyway, not too much left for today. Just gonna head home, eat some dinner, and go to bed early. All right, I got some bacon going, some eggs. Nice bacon and egg breakfast for dinner. All right, so we got breakfast for dinner. Some bacon, eggs 2 ways, and yeah. All right, so I'm just gonna enjoy this bacon and eggs, and what I think I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go for a 48-hour fast. Normally I fasted today, Tuesday, and then normally I'd have a more regular day on Wednesday, and then Thursday I'd fast again. But I'm gonna conduct Wednesday and Thursday together. So I'm gonna finish eating here before 9 p.m. and then I won't eat again until Thursday 9 p.m. ideally. So hopefully that'll help jumpstart the weight loss, and we'll get a bunch of gym sessions in while we're in ketosis. Anyway, yeah, thanks for watching. All right, let's give this guy a rip outside. 65mm HD0. See how it freestyles. Got a fresh battery. There we go. Ooh! Nice shot. Oh, no problem. Pulling out of the dive too. running out of battery. Nice rip, man. Right to rainbows.